Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I made a long form video, so please pardon me, but I'm going to stay consistent henceforth. I'll be putting out new videos at least once every week, so please subscribe if you haven't and turn on the bell icon while you're at it. So this video is just a walkthrough of how I did this vintage illustration of a hot dog inside of Procreate. This was more of an experiment since I haven't really tried anything like this in the past. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so I started out by gathering some references on Google and uploaded them into the VizRep app. So with the references, I made a very rough sketch, as you can see here. I made sure I took pieces of details from each of these reference images and made them my own. So after the rough sketch, I went into the inking phase. I made sure the main shapes had thicker lines while the details had relatively thinner lines, and this creates some form of depth. After inking the main parts of the sketch, I went ahead and made the ink layer a reference layer. Alright, so in this way, I can actually color drop flat colors onto a separate layer with ease. So over here, I added very flat colors, as you can see, and then I went ahead to ink the other details. Then I started with some really basic shading, nothing fancy. I basically just added lighter versions of the base colors and also darker versions of it to create the lights and shadows. At this stage, I added a very simple shape that was then used as the drop shadow for the entire illustration. Finally, I changed the white boring background to this very hot orange background because I think it kind of looked appealing. Over here, I realized I had forgotten about the lettuce, so I had to just squeeze it in there somewhere, and it actually kind of worked. I did a few adjustments and I call it done. I'm not overly proud about this, but for a first try, I think it came out very good. And I want to say thank you very much for your attention up to this point. If you enjoyed watching, kindly leave a like and also comment on what you'd want to see next so I can actually create content that you'd always enjoy watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, as it helps this channel grow a lot. Have a great day or night, and also check out my other videos. Bye.